yan, no? So, can you share, medyo sekreto ba? But maybe you can share a little bit to our viewers na a specific strategy or tactic that has been crucial to your success. And kung papaano yung mga ating mga viewers na pwede nilang i-apply ito sa yung mga tactics na yan sa kanilang mga businesses. Can you share a little of that?
Right. Okay, probably what I want to share is, instead of sharing to you a tactic, I want to share a mindset, no? Believe it or not, most of the problems natin sa buhay, including me, are actually not business problems. Ask me what. Okay, type in the chat what. No? Most of the problems are what you call drama problems. Ibig sabihin, you can't do this kasi, hindi ko kaya yan kasi, I'm not techie. Hindi ko kaya yan kasi matanda na ako. Hindi ko kaya yan kasi mahina yung internet ko. Ang daming reasons, no? Even me, including me, no? Na to the point, there was even a product before na, I didn't want to increase the price, but my friends told me to increase the price. And here's the best part, no? My friend told me, alam mo, Fibo, ano yung problema sa'yo? Magaling ka naman eh. May drama problem ka lang talaga, no? Ibig sabihin, we have this limiting beliefs that's holding us back, no? And what made me who I am today, kasi I realized na it's not about how many years you are in business eh. It's about how much time have you saved by learning from other people's mistakes.